Hi, I am Chef Shaurya. Hi, I'm making chicken kebab.
Chicken kebab? That sounds nice.
We are the interior. What kind of chicken kebab?
Let me see, Shaurya.
We need a already slice of it.
Medium onion sliced.
Yeah. What of that too?
Can I see?
Blow of garlic.
Garlic? Let me see. Yes.
2 tablespoons of vegetable powder.
Teaspoons?
Yeah. Put up to be powder.
Take.
Tablespoon of double. 1 tablespoon of mozzarella. Just 2 taste. Of oil.
You need half a cup?
Yes.
Okay.
And oil. Make the oil is hot and orderly. Fry orderly. Fry after orderly fry. Just that juice.
Let's see, Shaurya, how you soak the cashews.
Keep aside. Just orderly to the brown.
Golden brown. Look at them. Let's look at them, Shaurya.
Now add the garlic. And sausage. Yes,
What?
I have tasted that too.
You drained them? The soaked cashews?
Yes. And the tattoo and sausage. Sausage is everything a light golden brown.
Light golden brown? Okay. Let's saute it, Shaurya.
Yes. So, it's ready.
It's ready. It looks golden brown.
Tattoo. Tattoo.
Now wait for it to cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's wait for it.
It look like.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Show me. खाली करते.
Apple and down to there.
Okay. This is
And all the spicy. Ask me. Now add the other leg meat. Meat well. Yeah. with the baking sheet. Yeah. Bake and repeat it for 40 minutes.
Can you put that in the oven, Shaurya?
Yeah.
Yeah.